latest pull, I always have a test file. So the test file includes just a standard pass around. The profile face has an extra offset. That is the radius of the toroidal. Here you see I got a lot of material here, and I will use pass Dressup toroidal, and we will have a nice pass. We have some data to put in. We can drop the helix, so no helix in for if you have outside or just have drilled someone. Let's use the helix inside. Okay, you can choose the step wide, standard step. Where can I go here? The standard step wide is 10% of the tool diameter, and you have also the material allowance, so you can go 0 to the wall or can leave something up to it and then mill around as a standard as you like. So it works also now in the simulation. I just start the simulation, so it rotates down. Yeah, if it's down, yeah, and then it starts moving around. So I think this will be a nice setup. Hopefully it will be accepted. Let's see how it comes out. Okay, till the last.